Virat Kohli still dominates the conversation. But today it wasn't just about Kohli, because in Rajkot, when India needed saving, KL Rahul delivered a rescue act for the ages. Now, Virat Kohli looked in control early. He was moving well, finding the middle, but he couldn't convert. Just 23 came of 29 balls. One would say it was one of those innings that hinted at something big and then ended abruptly. But even on a quiet day like this, Kohli found history. He is now India's highest run scorer against the Kiwis in one-day internationals, and he went past the legendary Sachin Tendulkar to register this record. Remember, after the last half century, when he scored 93 in the last match, he was level with Tendulkar, but the first ball boundary took him past Sachin. And this form hasn't come out of nowhere. Remember those two ducks scored by Kohli in Australia? There were a lot of talks, there were a lot of questions, and then a string of half centuries. 74 not out, 135, 102, 65 not out, and then 93 in Vadodara. That is vintage Kohli, absorbing pressure and then dominating attacks. And that run has now taken him to the top of the ICC ODI rankings. He is back there where he belongs for the 11th time. Since first getting there in 2013, Kohli has now spent 825 days as the #1 ODI batter, the most by an Indian. Now, India still had a bigger problem today. Wickets went down, momentum was slipping. Enter KL Rahul. He was calm under pressure. Rahul produced a rescue act that defined this innings. An unbeaten 112. His 100 came off just 87 balls. His 8th ODI 100. This was about control, timing, and responsibility as well. Thanks to KL Rahul's composure, India reached 284 for 7, a total that once looked out of reach. Now, Kohli was quiet today, but is roaring the record books, and he is back at #1. That's the news for Kohli fans, while KL Rahul was silent, steady, and played a match-defining knock.